going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys and showing you guys this wig that I got from Sam's Beauty. I'll include the link to the wig and their website in the description box. And also if you guys have any questions about this wig, just comment below and I'll answer. So as you guys can see, this is a bob wig. It's actually an angled bob, so it's shorter in the back and gets longer as it goes towards the front. This actually came a lot longer in the front, like maybe it was this much longer, but I cut it because I felt that it was just a little bit too much. Like I wanted it to be angled, but like very slightly. Okay, so this wig isn't a lace front. It's not there is no lace on this wig, so it's very hard to make it look natural. What I had to do was cut. There was like something on here that was keeping it from like laying flatly down, so I'm gonna show you guys. Like I cut that off. And then as you guys can see, like this is the best I got it to blend, but it's really hard to make it blend just because of the type of wig it is. Now the part, so this has a curved part. You can't change the way it's parted. So as you guys can see, the part goes like this. I'm also going to show you guys from the inside of the wig. It's like this. It has 3 clips, 2 on both sides of the part and then 1 in the back at the bottom. It also has adjustable straps to adjust the size. So this is a synthetic wig or a synthetic blend, and so yeah, it's synthetic, but you can curl it up to 300 or like put heat on it up to 360 degrees. The color I got is called OTBLONDE. I don't believe they have any solid color, like abstract colors. Like they have solid black, solid brown, but then for blonde it's ombre, for red it's ombre. So I think all of the other like variety of colors are all ombre. I feel like this wig, you have to do a lot with it to make it look natural. I personally am not like a huge fan of this wig. Like when I got it in the mail, like I don't know, you have to do a lot with it to make it work. This is okay. I couldn't really see myself wearing it too often, but it's not ugly. I'm also gonna show you guys how it looks on the model. So, and then I'm also gonna include a picture of how it looks like straight out the box, like without any styling, like literally just like putting it on your head. As far as shedding, this wig does shed a little bit, but since it's so short, it doesn't get tangled even though it's synthetic. So, you know, for the most part, you should always just be able to run your fingers through it without any problem. This wig is very affordable. I can't remember exactly off the top of my head how much it costs, but I think it costs like $37 or $27. I remember it was on sale, so I think it is still on sale. So yeah, either way, it's under $40, so it's really affordable. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from all the way around my head. Okay, so as you guys can see, my part is a side part. This wig is actually made to be a middle part wig, but I actually wore it to the side just so that I could have this bang right here rather than like, I also think my forehead is really big, so I kind of like stay away from middle parts or whatever. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. Like I said, it's not one of my favorites, but I wouldn't not wear it. I probably just wouldn't wear it often, maybe on special occasion. Like I said, it is really hard to like blend it and make it look natural just because I'm used to working with like at least some type of lace or like a half wig at least. If your hair is longer, maybe you could part your hair and then push it back some rather than like having it on the edge of your hairline like I do. But as you guys may or may not know, I have really short hair, so there's nothing for me to part. Yeah, it's not a favorite of mine, but it's not ugly. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. If you like the wig, like I said, I'll include the link to the wig in the description box. And like I said, if you guys have any other questions, just comment and I'll answer. Let me know below if you guys like this wig or not, because or like where you would wear this wig or something, because I don't know. I feel like my least favorite part about this wig is the top of it. I just feel like just how difficult it is to blend and kind of how wiggy it looks, it just makes it look bad. So I feel like if you wear it with like a scarf or a head wrap or some type of hat or accessory, I feel like it's gonna be cute or whatever. Maybe like a hat, I'm a hat person. But so thank you guys so much for watching. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.